War in Syria. Homelands are ruined. Societies are broken. People have been displaced. Women are now widowed. Children are orphaned. Women and girls are left destitute. More than 12 million people are in need of humanitarian assistance, including more than 7 million internally displaced persons within Syria, and more than 3 million people that have sought refuge in the 5 neighboring countries. Of the total, nearly 4 million are women and girls of reproductive age. Numbers are growing, while the crisis continues. Due to insecurity and poor living conditions in camps or informal settlements, women are caught in a spiral of hardship, isolation, and anxiety, while fighting for survival and struggling to maintain their dignity. They become vulnerable to trafficking, humiliation, harassment, and sexual assault. They may not be able to deliver their babies safely or get emergency care if there are complications. Their roles as mother, wife, sister, or daughter have changed. Despite their hardship, they continue to do their best for their families, and they become the mainstay for families on the move.
في نساء اعتقلت ضمن هالاعتقالات كمان اغتصبت انجبت اولاد. لمين هدول الاولاد؟ يعني حياتنا كلها قضيناها بالملاجئ والضرب فوقنا وكل شيء فوقنا.
In collaboration with governments and partners, UNFPA is working to address some of the consequences of the Syrian crisis. We are leading the implementation of multi-sectoral GBV prevention and response programs, improving access to equitable reproductive health services, including for safe motherhood, empowering and engaging youth, and working to advance gender equality and reproductive rights. Since the crisis started, UNFPA has established and supported 34 women's centers and 123 sexual and reproductive health clinics and mobile teams, as well as 15 youth spaces and sports fields in Syria and hosting countries.
الأيام زارنا متطوعون من مركز المرأة والفتاة التابع لصندوق الأمم المتحدة للسكان. حكوا لي إنهم بقدموا خدمات نفسية ودعم نفسي إلي، لأنه أنا كمان كنت بحاجة لهالدعم. وكان يتحدث فيه بالمحاضرات عن العنف الأسري اللي بتواجهه، عن الزواج المبكر، عن العنف ضد المرأة، عن سرطان الثدي اللي كان فيه كمان دكاترة يساعدونا كثير لنلاقي حل مشاكلنا إحنا.
UNFPA has provided around 4 million reproductive health services, including family planning counseling to Syrian women and girls. More than 80,000 made use of the reproductive health voucher system in Syria. 200,000 Syrian refugees have benefited from supported GBV services. 300,000 have received dignity and hygiene kits, and 3,600 youth refugees have been trained by UNFPA on peer education and sexual and reproductive health.
من دورك تثقيف أقران قل لك دورك مشبوع وممتع ألعاب وثقافة حمودش دورك قلك باشا يبونا بربن حولنا ببن قلك يستفاد تغير تصير من إنسان هيك لهيك أحبك تزازان أحبك.
With the support of donors, UNFPA's programs extend hope as they strive to save lives and protect human rights and dignity by ensuring sexual and reproductive health and protection services across Syria, Lebanon, Jordan, Iraq, Turkey, and Egypt.
One of the things that we have to remember is that in any humanitarian crisis, including the one in Syria right now, meeting the needs of women and girls is one of the best ways to ensure the health, security, and well-being of the whole community.
Join us in helping the Syrian people, especially women and girls, who are the mothers, daughters, and future leaders who will rebuild Syria.